What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian from PixlFeed here, and in this video, I'm going to explain to you and show you how to create the Gary V Facebook marketing strategy that he talks about in his videos all the time. But before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in. So you're here because you have heard Gary Vaynerchuk, or Gary V, talk about the Facebook marketing strategy that he recommends everybody to use, which is running a video and then retargeting those people to buy from you, okay? It's really nothing complicated. It just takes a little bit of time to set up. So if you wanna learn how to do it, stick around till the end. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it, okay? So when you log in into Facebook, into your ads manager, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna create a campaign, all right? So we're gonna name our campaign. Our campaign is gonna be, so let's say I'm selling a product. So I'm gonna call this website conversions, makeup product, because I already know I have one in here that I can use. Purchase, because you want to go for your objective. So if your objective is somebody to buy from you, or you just want people to simply watch your video, then you can do that, okay? So for this example, I'm just going to use purchase, like I'm showing a product, right? And then I'm going to retarget them for them to buy the product from me. Or if you're an influencer or whatever, you want to show a video of yourself and then you want to retarget them to opt in something, or, to your page or something, you can choose the lead objective. Okay. So for this reason, I'm going to go purchase, even though on the first video, you don't do a strong call to action, but I still, opt in for the outcome desired. Okay, so ad set name, whatever, we're going to change that once we get into it. So I'll just do video 1 and then make a product purchase, let's say females, demographic female. All right, so we're going to save to draft. Right, and that takes us to, here's our campaign level, our ad set level, and our ad level. Now, don't worry about this. That's perfectly normal because we haven't done anything. By the time you're watching this, campaign budget optimization might be, final, where you don't have an option. It's just there. You select your budget. For this purpose, we're going to do lowest cost. You don't need to get complicated with any of this. Then we're going to click one ad set. That's going to take us to our ad set level. Okay, so here we're going to choose our targeting. So for this example, I'm using purchase, our objective for our conversion event, or a pixel. Okay, there's another video where I explain how to set up the pixel and all that. All right, so campaign, you never want to run it in the middle of the day because Facebook will accelerate the spending and it will spend just to spend. So I will start all my campaigns at midnight of the next day. So in this case, it will be February 2nd. All right, so custom audiences, you don't have that yet. Let's say you want to target people in the United States. Here you're going to choose your demographics. For this case, I'm going to do 22 to 65 women because it's a makeup product. Here, I will get into my targeting. Again, I'm not going to get into it because I have more videos on my channel about how to do targeting, how to research targeting. There's even a tool that does it for you. That's a free trial. Just look it up. It's connected to my videos. But for this, I'm just going to choose, I don't know, Kylie Jenner, whatever her name is. I don't even know how to spell her name. That's pathetic. Is that a Kylie Jenner? Oh my God, seriously? There you go, Kylie Cosmetics. So I'm just gonna choose one, just as a targeting. That's too small, so all right, okay. I'm gonna choose something more broad. So Kylie Jenner, that should be broad enough. So I'll combine both of them. There you go. So do that, you're gonna choose automatic placements, let Facebook do its thing. Don't worry about this. If it's, a lead, do 1 day or 1 day view. If it's a product that's $70 and under, you do 1 day, 1 click view. If it's over that, you do 7 days. That's your conversion window, how long it takes for people to take action, okay? Next, you're gonna click add. You're gonna go to your ad. You're gonna go in here, make sure you select your page is selected. Make sure you connect your Instagram account. So select your Instagram account. You can either use an existing post or you can upload your own video. So you're going to upload your video. There's one that I already have here. So I'm gonna do that. And there's my video. Then we're gonna choose our copy. Here is our copy. I didn't even spell that right. Oh, that's a mess. This is my headline. And then you're gonna choose your description. It's pretty. I don't know. All right. Then you're gonna put your URL, the website you're gonna send them to, or whatever, you know, whatever you're pushing them, whatever page, you know, if it's your, you know, landing page, your funnel, or your website, make sure you put your link there. And then make sure your Facebook pixel is on. You're gonna click publish, and that's gonna publish your campaign. Okay. Next, how are we gonna keep track of the people that watch our video? Okay. You're gonna go here to Ads Manager. You're gonna go to Measure Report. You're gonna go to, Assets. You're gonna go to Audiences. And I'm gonna open a new tab just for the purposes of this video. And we're gonna create custom audiences of people who watch that video. Now, so you can see I've already done it here before, but I'm gonna show you how you do it. You click Create Audience, Custom Audience, Video, because you're using a video, Engagement. So you want to choose people who watch 95% of your video, because those are the most likely to take action. If they're sitting there watching your whole video, they're most likely to take action from you. Start with 365 days. If you're going to run your campaign forever, or you can do 30, you can do, you know, 40, 45, 15, whatever you want, right? The max is 365 days. You choose your video. So, I don't know. It's one of them. Just select a video that you want, and you choose. This is the wrong account. This is not even the right account. There you go. So you choose your video, confirm, right? And we're gonna call video views 95%, 365 days. Okay. So you're gonna create your audience. Next, done. And as you can see here, I also do a 75% and a 50%. So you can deploy different campaigns. All right, so now that our audience is created, you know, our other campaign should be running and building this audience here. So while that's happening, we're gonna create another campaign, okay? So this is, let's rename this, Purchase Video Views. All right, so we're gonna create a second campaign. The second campaign we're gonna call, here, let me copy this so we can keep track of it. We're gonna call it Take Action. Like, we want them to buy, right? So copy, I'm just copying and pasting everything because it doesn't matter. I'm just showing you guys how you do it. Save to draft. And this is our new campaign. Again, campaign budget optimization. Select your budget, lowest cost. Make sure you change this to conversions. All right. We're going to go to our ad set. Very important. Select purchase, whatever, you know, they want them to buy from you, or lead, whatever your ultimate goal is. I don't think purchase is going to be here because it's not. It hasn't been fired. Okay, so those, for this example, let's just use, there it is, purchase. Okay, perfect. All right, so website purchase, we're gonna scroll down. Again, make sure you choose midnight so it doesn't start spending like crazy. All right, we got that. Here it is, custom audiences. Okay, so you're gonna click here and you're gonna select custom audience. You're gonna click people who watch 95% of my video the past 365 days. Select your location, United States. Don't mess with any of this. Whoever watches it, you want to target whoever watched that video all the way to the end. Make sure this is not selected. Again, automatic placement. 7 day if it's like an expensive product. 1 day if it's a lead generation or cheap product under $70 or less. Okay, and we move to our ad. And then you basically go in here, create your ad, like I showed you on the other one. Put your website here, you know, whether it's a picture or another video. And then once you fill all this out with your call to action and everything, you know, you can do add media. Let's do image. We'll do this one. Buy makeup. You know, you put your headline here, your description, and then, you know, whatever you want. Get offer, shop now. I like shop now, get offer. Shop now works best. And then you hit publish, and that's it. That is essentially the simple Gary V marketing Facebook campaigns that he talks about all the time.
Guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit one of the boxes right above me and keep taking your social media game, your digital game to the next level, and I'll see you in the next video.